Hi grades 4. So today we are working on our grammar day 4. So grab your Spire or your green books and let's get started. You should open to week 14 and we are going to work on sentence 4, so which is day 4. Okay. So again, we are working with adjectives this week. And you are going to mark your articles, your adjectives, your nouns, your verbs, your adjectives, and also you are going to mark your possessive. Okay, so when something belongs to someone. So here we go. I'm going to read the sentence for us. The covetous princess was thrilled because she knew the worth of the cloak. Okay. So I'm going to ask you to pause the video and you are going to do the markings, okay? You're going to mark your articles, your adjectives, your nouns, your verbs, your pronouns, and you are also going to change. So it says the worth of the cloak. How can you say it is someone's cloak? So for example, I say, the pencil belongs to Perry. How can you show possessive? Okay, you can say Perry's pencil. The chair belongs to Jacob. Jacob's chair, right? So that's how we show possessive, by adding apostrophe S. So that's what you have to change. Do you see how it's underlined, the worth of the cloak? So this part, the worth of the cloak, you need to change that and show, how would you show possessive with apostrophe S? So that's what you need to do. Now, once you're done the sentence, as in doing the corrections, I am going to hold up the board for us. And I want you to look at our corrections for today. So the sentence 4. Okay, so here we go. The is my article, so I mark it with AR, right? Then I have covetous, which is an adjective. Then I have the word princess, that's a noun. Was is my linking verb, so I mark it with VB. Then I have the word thrilled, that's an adjective. She is a pronoun, so I mark it with PR. Knew is a verb, so I mark it with VB. The is an article, so I mark it with AR. And this is what we change. Worth is a noun, so is cloak. The is my article. I crossed it out, worth of the cloak, but instead I showed the apostrophe possession, so possessive possessive S, and I marked my cloak, I marked it as cloak's worth. Instead of the worth of the cloak, I marked it as cloak's worth. To show my possessive, I put my apostrophe S and wrote worth, then I added my period. Okay, so that was the major change, was where the worth of the cloak, we changed it to cloak's worth and put a period. That's our day 4 sentence, and we are done this week for grammar. It is our last sentence, and next week we will be working on week 15, and we are still working on quality adjectives as our dress up. Okay, and I will see you next time.